word on doping. Now let's move away from that. Let's get into some basketball action. And more than 100 coaches in the country were taken through new skills by the NBA Africa, and this was in training them on the new skills and the most important skills when it comes to basketball development.
Part of the learning experience we want these kids to have is it's a holistic learning experience. We not only do they develop academically, but we also love to nurture their talent.
Some of the things we've learned are a lot of life skill sessions that we'll use during basketball, because when you come here, we're learning about communication, we're learning how to trust our teammates, we're learning how to have a better relationship amongst ourselves.
As we're helping the coaches, we provide them with the tools. They would then, make sure that these kids are learning not only how to play basketball, but life skills that will help them becoming great citizens in the future.
Foundation, if it is caught wrong, then we get things wrong. So when we learn the right things at the right time, then eventually we train the children very well. And at the Kenya Academy of Sports, by the time they are coming for elitism, and we find that there is nothing we are doing, but the children are able to implement and get to high levels.
What we are looking for is to ensure that our children get the best of the best. NBA provides the best quality of training and equipment in terms of match balls, and also improvement of infrastructure in our institutions.
Now